South Sudan.
Good.
Yes.
Algeria.
Good.
Eritrea.
Perfect.
Tunisia.
Tell your mom to be close, otherwise we're gonna have a problem. Thank you.
Kenya.
Good.
Yes.
Botswana.
Good.
Yes.
Mauritius.
Perfect.
Yes.
Try.
Guinea-Bissau.
That's right, I'm telling you. Good job.
Egypt.
Good.
Central African Republic.
Good job.
Yes.
Ethiopia.
Very good.
Somalia.
What's up?
Can you tell me a little bit about your country? Tell me about Somalia.
وشك.
Somalia.
What's the history? What do you know? What now?
The Italians have conquered Somalia.
What is Somalia known for?
Somalia is known for what?
Where is it close to?
Ethiopia. It's close to Ethiopia, Eritrea, Djibouti, and Kenya.
Kenya.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Do you
That's
know
correct.
when Somalia gained independence?
1960.
After a minute, that's enough.
That's right.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Just kill it seriously. That's enough. That's enough. Okay, so what about this one?
Tanzania.
What about this one?
Namibia.
What about this one?
Yes.
Benin.
What about this one?
Yes.
Cameroon.
MashaAllah.
Yes.
Sierra Leone.
Yes.
Madagascar.
تسلم على البطن الجاب. Thank you so much. God bless you. What about this one?
Gambia.
Good job.
Cape Verde.
Good job.
Yes.
Zimbabwe.
That's
Yes.
wonderful.
Eswatini.
Very good.
Yes.
Malawi.
والله تسلم على البطن اجاباتك يا شبل.
أيه.
Don't call me this time. Okay, bro, let's go.
Uganda.
Good.
Mali.
Good job.
Comoros.
Very good.
Equatorial Guinea.
Wonderful. What about this one?
What is it again?
Don't know.
I don't.
Start with S.
Saint.
Say Tommy and Principal. Thank you. What about this one?
Guinea.
Yeah, the mom must be close. Otherwise, we're gonna have a problem. Okay?
Guinea.
Very Guinea. Good job.
Congo.
Which Congo?
Brazzaville, Congo.
Very good one.
Lesotho.
Very good.
Djibouti.
Perfect.
Burundi.
Well done.
Togo.
Good.
Niger. Niger. Gambia.
Good.
Gambia.
Very good.
Senegal. Gambia.
This one.
The top one.
The top one?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yep.
Yeah.
What's that one?
Gambia.
Ghana.
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 Ghana, I meant.
Yeah.
Senegal.
Very good.
Gabon.
Good job.
Burkina Faso.
Wonderful.
Libya.
Very good.
Zambia.
That's wonderful.
Mozambique.
That's great.
Rwanda.
Very good.
Seychelles.
That's perfect.
Niger.
Very good.
South Africa.
Good job and good job. That's good. He get only two wrong, guys. Mali, Ghana, and Satomi. Now, that means our brother from Ethiopia is the winner. Yeah. So, let's go.